Alright guys, so today I have this real cool robot. An ant robot runs in Arduino. I'm going to show you how the whole thing works right now. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from mediaboxentlab. And as you see, we bring in all the time the robots, right? Runs in Arduino, some Raspberry Pi, and there are guys that are more coming up on the pipeline. So I want to show you this cool robot right now. After you see here, this is an ant robot. I would say this is pretty simple to build, maybe one of the easy ones that I built up to now, or maybe it's just in getting used to build this robot. It's pretty cool. We have these LED lights, runs in Bluetooth. This is the antenna Bluetooth. We have the board over here, right? That you're gonna be in runs in Arduino Uno inside, or compatible with Arduino Uno. They have the on and off switch right there. Turn it off, reset. Batteries 18625. I will leave you the link for those. And that's power batteries inside. Okay, that's the one. 3.7 volts. 3 servos. They're pretty big ones, this one, so they can hold a lot of power. This guy. So it's 3 of this. The way it works is this goes left and right. This one's up and down, left and right. Let me execute that so you guys can see how this thing moves the legs. And you can see, I'm gonna put this way. See? The idea for this, be able to turn, right? So let me turn it off. So it's pretty cool. It runs very fast, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. This thing runs very fast. From the top, we have the LED light. We can see the control board. All right, right over there. Main guy. And the cool face. Now, let me fuse a few things here. So we can control this with the app or with the remote control here. So a few things we can do. We can change the face there. Put a static face if you want. You got different ones. Pretty cool. All right, you can do that. Or, you know, put the animated ones. Huh? Yeah, some cool ones. I like that one. Crying, happy, crazy. You know, this one is like open and close. I like that one. So there are many more. Now, around the top, it has these cool LED lights pointed right to different colors and different animation. And you can change this to an RGB. You can use the RGB color. You can by changing some of these numbers here. Yeah, see? Okay, see now? It's another color. Okay, and this one is like a white color. Now, I'm gonna show you here, as you guys saw in the beginning. So I'm gonna just do to turn around, but I'm gonna slow down the speed. So I'm gonna go this way. Okay, and let me go slow, so we can make this go real slow. Let me get it here. I can go faster, and it goes pretty fast. So let me go full speed. Just one more. All right, that's pretty. Let me go slow. It's slow so that we can go back, forward. Come on. We can make it turn like right or left. Let me go back. And then I'm going to go full speed forward. Let me go back. Oof. Let's turn it off. It's got my out of the table. So as you see, super fast. So a lot of fun. I'm going to have fun with my cats with this. And also you can control as well with the app using this Bluetooth. But for me, using this remote control, I think it's a lot of fun to have this. That's it, guys. Now, what I'm going to do is so you can grab one for yourself for this. So I'm going to leave the link right below this video as well for the batteries. Right? So, I'll see you next time. Bye.